Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Gunja Bihari, Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Gunja Bihari, Jaya Gopichana Vallabha, Jaya Girivanadari, Jaya Girivanadari, Yasodanandana Pratajana Ranjana, Yasodanandana Pratajana Ranjana, Natira Vanachari, Munatira Vanachari, Jaya Radha Madhava, Jaya Gunja Bihari. Reading Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7, text 24. Avyaktam vyaktina pannam manyate mama buddhayaha param bhavam mayananto mama vyayan anuttamam. Unintelligent men who do not know me perfectly think that I, the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna, was impersonal before and has now assumed his personality. Due to their small knowledge, they do not know my higher nature, which is imperishable and supreme. So when one has lost one's intellect, one thinks that the ultimate like a dimension of the absolute truth is impersonal, which means that God is basically non-existent in that sense. That God is without qualities, nirguna. And then if sometimes God appears to have form, which is saguna praman, that's illusory, which means that manifestation, that impersonal form of the Supreme. But here Krishna is explaining that his personal form is actually the original. An impersonal form is his paramajyoti, his effulgence. So in that sense, one cannot know that if one knows the impersonal side of the Supreme, it's natural that one takes the Supreme with the qualities, one takes it as a illusory, which means that one never really understands the personal form of the God. But if one perceives the personal form of the Supreme, then one can see that the impersonal form of the Supreme as a eternal as well, which means that one can see that impersonal side of the Supreme is the like a personal effulgence of that personal form of the Supreme. So in other words, one try to put the impersonal Brahman, Nirgunam Brahman, above the Saguna Brahman, one only understand the Nirguna Brahman, the impersonal side. But if one put the Saguna Brahman, the Brahman with the qualities, the personal side of the Supreme higher, then one can also understand the eternal nature of the impersonal side of the Supreme, which means that by seeing that the personal side is there like a higher than this impersonal side, one can understand both. But if one sees the impersonal side of the Supreme as a higher than the personal side, then one loses the understanding. One never understand that personal form of the Supreme, which is Krishna is here explaining. Bhagavad Gita ki jai.